everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view your overdue attendances in Enterprise by financial year. To do this, you're going to click on your application mode and switch it to Enterprise. Then scrolling down under your attendances notifications, you can click on your CCS overdue with errors. By default, it will display each service grouped in all financial years. To view by financial year, you can switch Group By in the drop-down box to Financial Year. When switching to Financial Year View, it will list services grouped by financial year in alphabetical order in the most recent year, descending. If you would like to list the financial year records by year, you can tick Order by Year. And this will list financial year in descending order, allowing users to view financial years for each service. By clicking on the role marking in the Actions column, this will take you straight to the role marking page for that applicable service. By unticking the totals only, this lists out each individual child's overdue errors and the date range. Again, when clicking on the role marking in the Action column, it will take you to the role marking page for that service and for that child. You can complete the necessary requirements and then click Save and Upload. For further information on how to view your overdue attendances by financial year, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.